In our previous video, we talked about what anxiety is and what benefits it has from an evolutionary point of view. In this video, we will dive deeper into the different scenarios that can cause anxiety. We will also talk about the less known symptoms connected to it. The reasons behind anxiety are often not external factors, but internal mental processes. Anxiety is caused by our interpretation of a situation, not necessarily by the situation itself. Naturally, there are situations that cause more stress than others. For some people, that include being asked to speak in front of many people at work. For others, it's being invited to a party, knowing that there are many people they don't know. Objectively speaking, both scenarios are neutral or even positive. Probably you have been asked to give a presentation or to join a gathering because people want to hear your story and include you. While the situation is not bad in the first place, your mind starts racing. You start thinking of all the negative things that could happen. If going to a social event makes you stressed, you might worry about what to say to people or come across as not likable. This puts you in a fight or flight situation. What happens next? You probably start sweating, breathing heavily, experiencing an increased heart rate, headaches, trembling, weakness, and even tunnel vision. At this time, your mental worry has already translated to physical symptoms. Many people recognize these symptoms and connect them to anxiety. But there are also other symptoms that are not so well known, yet hindering. As discussed in the beginning of this mini-course, functions such as digestion are shut down when we find ourselves in a fight or flight situation. That's why many people experience anxiety in the form of digestion issues or diarrhea. You might not link it to anxiety in the first place, but it's good to look closer at it. Ever suffered from a skin breakout before a presentation? Anxiety also affects our skin. Stress hormones are released that are causing changes in your pores and an increase in skin oils. This may lead to clogged pores, allowing bacteria to grow and ultimately causing acne or rashes. Even fatigue can be a symptom of anxiety, although it sounds contradictory in the first place. Constant worrying can be exhausting and makes it hard to stay alert and awake during the day. Like other symptoms of anxiety, fatigue can also block your performance because the feeling of exhaustion hinders you. Those symptoms feel less life-threatening compared to the ones we described first. We might even confuse them with excitement because they can feel the same. Why is that? Anxiety and excitement are both felt in anticipation of events. While anxiety is characterized by negative thoughts, uncertainty, and a lack of control, excitement is connected to positive thoughts and optimism. Studies show that relabeling anxiety as excitement can be more helpful than forcefully trying to stay calm when anxious. However, that takes practice and isn't something that works for everyone. The first step is to start paying attention to how your body reacts in different situations. What is your body telling you? What symptoms do you encounter? Realizing what's happening inside you will help you to choose the right tool for the challenge you are facing. In the next video, you will get to know some of these techniques for quick anxiety relief that will also help you ease your anxiety in the long term.